How to block someone on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to hide a user from your channel on your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, find a video from the channel you want to block and tap on the three dots next to it. From there, you can tap Not Interested to stop YouTube from recommending videos from that channel in your feed. At this point, if you want to go further and fully block the user, tap on the channel name to go to their channel page. In the next step, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of their channel page. Following this, tap on Hide User from My Channel to block them. Once done, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Hide User to confirm. From here, hiding a user means they will no longer be able to comment on your videos, like your content, or interact with your channel in any way. Finally, their existing comments on your videos will also be hidden from everyone else, so no one can see them. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you block an unwanted user from your channel, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.